This training is quite interesting because we never thought of how to monitor your water use, how to monitor your soil condition. There's a whole lot of evaluation and monitoring that we never actually thought of. Now, what this training is telling us is that if we monitor water use properly, instead of using a certain amount of water, we could use a whole lot less. We could have information to determine the quality of the soil, against how much water it can use. It's a very innovative project. How do you use artificial intelligence to help optimize growth and optimize production? So it's going to be an interesting learning curve on how that plays out in the development of our project. We're not sure exactly how it will turn out, but we are fairly optimistic based on the actual program itself, which is an optimal project. So it's quite interesting, and we think that it might have some interesting results.